Namaste students. Today we are going to see the next lesson in IT, digital documentation. First, let us see what is documentation. Documentation is the process of preparing a document. A document is nothing but a paper with written content. This document can be a letter, a report, a book, etc. If a document is handwritten, there may be many disadvantages in that. So, with the advancement in computer hardware and software technology, this handwritten documentation is consequently automated to computer word processing. So, word processing is nothing but the use of computer software to enter, edit, format, store, retrieve and print the document. This word processing is done using a word processor. A word processor is a computer application used for the production of printable material. Before the advent of computers, a typewriter is used to do the word processing. But there are many limitations associated with typewriters. Let us see what are those limitations. Firstly, if there is any typing error, the entire page is to be typed again. That means we cannot erase the content which we have typed. Secondly, the typewriter does not contain all the required symbols and characters. Thirdly, we cannot produce a document in the desired format. So, to provide effective documents, the word processing softwares came into existence. These word processing softwares not only provide the basic ability to enter and modify the text, but also provide efficient text manipulation functions that can be used for documentation. Now, let us see some of the features of these word processing softwares. The first and the foremost feature is we can create, edit, save and print the document. Apart from creating, editing and printing, the word process also possesses some features like storing the document, erasing and inserting the text, formatting paragraph, changing the font style, font size, etc. Combining one or two documents, creating tables, checking and correcting the spellings and inserting graphics. There are several word processing softwares like Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer, etc. Apart from this, there are also web-based word processors like Google Docs, Office 365 Word, Microsoft OneDrive Word. In this lesson, we are going to learn about LibreOffice Writer. Before going to LibreOffice Writer, we will see what is LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free and open source office productivity suite. This suite consists of different components like Writer, which is used for word processing, Calci for spreadsheet applications, Impress for digital presentations, Base for database management and Draw for drawing. As we are dealing with documentation, we will use LibreOffice Writer for this purpose. First, let us learn how to start the LibreOffice Writer. If it is a Windows desktop, you can directly click on the icon present on the desktop. If the icon is not present on the desktop, then you can click on the Start button and select LibreOffice Writer from the application window. Alternatively, if we are using the Ubuntu desktop, we can check the icon on the application launcher. After clicking on the icon, the page which is shown on the screen will be displayed. There, you can click on the File menu and select the New option and then select the text document from the cascading menu to create a new document. This document, when you want to save it, it will be saved by default with the .odt format. Okay children, this is the end of first session. In the next session, we will see what are the different parts of the Writer window and then what are all the commands present in Writer. Thank you.